Wama Ekelemuno. Ndewonu. You're welcome to another special time with Teacher Princess. As always, I'm always excited to see you. Obidemo Tonkuku. I can't wait for us to get into today's lesson. But before we talk about today's lesson, have you liked? Have you shared? Have you subscribed? Okay, take 1 second to do that. I believe you've done it now. All right, so today, our focus in today's lesson is to practice reading, practice asking questions and framing answers in Igbo language. It's going to be very interesting. Open your heart and flow with the lesson. I am ready. Are you ready? If you are, let's go to class.
Welcome, children. So like I said, we're learning a story. And if you've seen the thumbnail, you already saw that it was about Ada. The title is Aham Boada. Say with me. Remember, everything I'm saying here that is Igbo, you have to say it after me, okay? Even if I've not asked you to say, just know that I mean say it with me. Aham Boada. Again, Aham Boada. And it simply means my name is Ada. So this is Ada. Hooray! Ada. Isn't she beautiful? Now let's read. It has been broken down so that it will be easy for you to understand, okay? So I want you to just read along with me. Aham bo Ada. Aham bo Ada. It means my name is Ada. Abum nwanyi. Say it with me. Abum nwanyi. I am a girl. Nke a bụ ụlọ anyị. Nke a bụ ụlọ anyị. This is our house. Nke a bụ ụlọ anyị. This is our house. Now let's answer a few questions based on this first page that we have read. Aham bụ Ada means my name is Ada. Abụ m nwanyị. I am a girl. Nke a bụ ụlọ anyị. This is our house. Can you try to answer these questions? The first one is Kedu aha ya? Kedu aha ya? And she says, which one is the correct answer? Is it supposed to be Aham bụ Ada? If somebody asks you Kedu aha ya, what's her name? Kedu aha ya means what's her name. What should be your answer? Should it be Aham bụ Ada? Should it be my name is Ada or aha ya bụ Ada or aha anyị bụ Ada? Which one is correct? Aham bụ Ada, aha ya bụ Ada or aha anyị bụ Ada? Which one is correct? I'm going to tell you the answer. If you chose this one, you were wrong. If you chose this one, Chi, you were wrong. The correct answer is aha ya bụ Ada. You see ya? Ya. So it's referring to her. What's her name? Her name is Ada. But if I ask you, what is your own name? If I say Kedwa Hagi, you will say Aham bo Ada. My name is, that one is Aham. Okay? Well done. Now let's answer the next question. The next question from that short reading says, Ada bo gini. What is Ada? Ada bo gini. Is it nwanyị or nwoke or okenye? I expect you to know all these things because I've taught you in previous videos when we learned about words and opposites. If you've watched that conversation, you should have seen all these concepts that are here from A to B to Chi. So what is the correct one? Ada bụ gịnị? Ọ bụ nwanyị ka ọ bụ nwoke ka ọ bụ okenye? What do you think? Choose your answer and let me tell you the right one. If you said this, you were wrong. If you said B, you were also wrong. The correct answer is A, Ada bụ nwanyị. She's a girl. If you've not watched that video on words and opposite, part 1, part 2, part 3, I think does it have a part 3? Please go back to the channel and catch a replay, all right? Now let's read the next part of our story. She says, kwa ụbọchị, which means every day. Kwa ụbọchị, kwa ụbọchị, every day. M na-aṅụ mmiri, I drink water. M na-aṅụ mmiri, like I usually drink water. It can also mean I am drinking water now. But in this context, we are saying m na-aṅụ mmiri is like a present continuous tense. I usually drink water, okay? M na-eri nri, I eat food. M na-eri nri, I eat. She's telling us what she does every day, her daily routine. M M na-egwu egwu n'ụlọ. I play at home. Say with me. M na-egwu egwu n'ụlọ. I play at home. M na-agba bọọlụ. I play ball. M na-agba bọọlụ. I play ball. So I'm going to read it again. Kwa ụbọchị, every day, m na-aṅụ mmiri. M na-eri nri. M na-egwu egwu n'ụlọ. M na-agba bọọlụ. All right? She has told us that every day she drinks water, she eats food, she plays at home, and she also plays the ball. Let's answer a few questions from that point. The word for every day is what? From that passage, what's the word for every day? Is it kwa ụbọchị or kwa mgbe or kwa ụtụtụ? What do you think? Is it kwa ụbọchị, kwa mgbe, kwa ụtụtụ? If you said this, you were wrong. If you chose this, you were wrong. The correct answer is kwa ụbọchị. Kwa ụbọchị means every day. From the story, the word for food is gịnị? Kedu ihe a na-akpọ food n'asụsụ Igbo? Is it eri, iri, nri? If you said this, choose because I'm about to say the answer. You were wrong. Even if you said chi, you were right. The correct answer is nri, chi. Okay, now let's read the last part of our short reading. It says, Nne m nwere obiọma. My mom is kind. Nna m siri ike. My dad is strong. Ahụrụ m ha n'anya. I love them. Let's read it again. Nne m nwere obiọma. Nna m siri ike. Ahụrụ m ha n'anya. I love them. Moving on. So let's talk about Ada's mom. Nne Ada, what? What happened? What do we know about Nne Ada? Nne Ada mere gịnị? A. Siri ike. Nne Ada siri ike. Or Nne Ada nwere obiọma. B. Ọchị Nne Ada na-eri nri. What's the correct answer? If you said this, you were wrong. If you said this, you were wrong. The correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Nne Ada nwere obiọma. She's kind. That's what we learned from the page. In summary, we're going to say, read with me. Aha m bụ Ada. Abụ m nwanyị. Ebi m n'ụlọ anyị. You already know the meaning, right, of all of these things. Let's say it again. Aha m bụ Ada. Abụ m nwanyị. Ebi m n'ụlọ anyị. Okay? Now let's read the next one together. Read it as fluently as you can. Kwa ụbọchị, m na-aṅụ mmiri. M na-eri nri. M na-egwu egwu n'ụlọ. M na-agba bọọlụ. I was about to say m na-agba ọsọ. Let's read it again. Kwa ụbọchị, m na-aṅụ mmiri. M na-eri nri. M na-egwu egwu n'ụlọ. M na-agba bọọlụ. It means every day I drink water, I eat food, I play at home, and I play ball. Ọzọ dịka ibia bụ gịnị? Nne m nwere obiọma. Nna m siri ike. Ahụrụ m ha n'anya. Say with me again. Nne m nwere obiọma. Nna m siri ike. Ahụrụ m ha n'anya. My mom is kind, my dad is strong, and I love them. That's a beautiful reading about Ada.
How was that? Did you answer your questions correctly? Did you understand what you were reading? It was broken down into simple, easy bites just for your learning benefits. I'm so excited to do this. Remember that you have to continue speaking Igbo. If possible, watch this video again and again just to practice your reading skills, your questioning skills, and your answering skills. You can always book classes if you want a more personalized learning that is suitable maybe for business or for something that you're actually trying to work on. Come into class, we are always ready to teach you some more and go into deeper details that actually helps you understand Igbo. That will be all for today. don't stop speaking Igbo, na-asụkwa Igbo maka na gịnị? Igbo amaka ka ọ dị.